this video, I'll introduce you to the ability for virtual device to support redundant DLGs between primary and secondary fabric switch. Once you are logged in into fabric.equinix.com, go to the network edge menu and select device link inventory. Click create new device link group to start the DLG creation workflow. All of your devices will be displayed. Click the devices you want to link. Then click next device link details. In the device link details section, enter a link name in the device link name field. Select primary to create primary DLG connection through the primary fabric plane and select a connection bandwidth. Note, we recommend you create two DLGs for redundant and cluster devices, one with primary and another with secondary connections to support redundancy. In the interfaces section, select one of the two available options, that is, automatically select the next available interface on my devices, or I will select the interface on my device. Click Next and review the details, devices, and pricing, and then click Submit. We will now repeat the steps to create a secondary DLG so that we have a redundant DLG on the secondary fabric plane. Next, navigate back to the device link inventory. Here it now shows the redundancy type as primary and secondary to show the redundant DLGs. That completes this demo. Thanks for watching.